Today is June 26th, and I thought we'd take a little tour around the garden to give you an idea of what is happening here. So we'll start here in the back. Step back here a little. These are the regular cucumber, the slicing cucumber plants. They seem to be doing quite well. Over here, these are the pickling cucumbers. They will come in later this summer and will make great pickles. I've got two more hill plants here on the left. That's a watermelon. It's very small, planted from seed. And these are the Jackby little pumpkins. Those actually came from seeds as well. They're doing quite well. This little guy over here is a tomatillo plant that I moved from over in that corner because it wasn't getting enough sun or water. These are the other tomatillo plants along here. There are 5 of them total, and they should make great salsa verde later in the fall. Next to them, this is the broccoli plants. We've already picked some of the broccoli and it was delicious. Looks like we'll have some more later this summer. And these are the Brussels sprouts. Those are coming in very nicely. They will also be late summer, early fall. Next to them, over here, we have our beet plants. Quite a nice crop of beets. And next to them are some leeks that, I don't know about the leeks. We'll see what happens with them. And then next to them, we have our pepper plants. And step over here. Pepper plants seem a little pale. I don't know what's going on with them. I'm going to get some bat guano on them and see if I can make them grow a little better. Next to them are the shito peppers. Those are one of our favorites. And then at the very end right there are 2 hot pepper plants that we were just given. So we will see how those go. Oops, sorry about that. Tomato plants. You can see we have a whole row of tomato plants here. Different varieties. We are seeing some flowers on them. No sign of any fruit yet, but they look pretty solid. I'm going to step over here. So we have some herbs growing down here. Thyme, basil, cilantro, rosemary, and then dill over here. This dill I planted early. I have some more dill that is coming in right over here that I just planted the seed, so there's nothing in there yet. But we have hope. And then we have some mesclun down here. These some beautiful lettuce plants, some gorgeous lettuce that are coming in. The spinach seems to be, I don't know what's going on with the spinach. It looks a little weird. Planted that from seed, and I don't even know, it doesn't even look like spinach. We have some celery plants right here. Those are pretty cool. I didn't even know we would have celery. I saw them and I decided to try them. Over here, these are the bok choy plants. We've had quite a bit of bok choy come off already. And we're freezing some because we can't eat it all. But it's coming in quite nicely. And then over here are some snap peas. They're just starting out. I can't tell if they're going to be great or not. But they're growing. And next to them over here are beans. These are the bean plants. These are little fuzzy green beans. I'm not fond of them, but thought we'd give them a go. And then in the front here, you can see is a whole row of plants that are marijuana based. I have two CDB plants, this one here and this one here. I think it's still pretty small. These bigger ones over here, this one here and this one over here, those regular THC plants, those I grew from seed and started them in the house. They are doing great. And then I have this guy here. This is called Jelly Breath, which I have high hopes for. Apparently it's got an unbelievable smell like jelly donuts. This is a cherry pie plant. Last year we had super luck with the cherry pie. This year it seems very small. I'm not sure exactly what's going on there. And this is another Jelly Breath plant here, one that I kind of cut by accident, so it's a little small. But so that's the garden right now. It's pretty exciting out here to see all this stuff growing. And we'll see what happens in another month. Bye-bye.